The Indian Air Force's long-pending initiative to acquire 114 MRFA fighter jets is expected to gain traction, as the Ministry of Defence will grant acceptance of necessity by October. That will be followed by release of request for proposal, marking a pivotal step towards the acquisition of advanced fighter jets. 7 foreign contenders will compete in the $20 billion program to meet India's stringent requirements for technology transfer and collaboration under the Make in India initiative. Kalyani Strategic Systems has bagged 2 export orders worth 850 crore rupees from friendly countries for the supply of components and armored vehicle chassis that will be delivered in the next 18 months. Bharat Forge has already supplied 60 M4 armored vehicles to the Indian Army and is all set to supply another 30 M4 vehicles equipped with Spike anti-tank guided missiles, while few units have been built and sent for United Nations peacekeeping missions. Foreign media has reported that the United States is making efforts for the potential sale of Danish F-16 fighter jets to the Argentinian Air Force. However, in the face of this rapidly developing scenario, it appears that India is unwilling to give up without a fight over its Tejas Mark 1A aircraft, and India is wielding its full diplomatic prowess to grab the contract. The report also said that Argentinian Defense Minister recently visited India with the primary intent to investigate the potential acquisition of Tejas aircraft and Brahmos NG missile. The Indian Army has inducted 20 truck-mounted counter unmanned aircraft system built by Defense Solutions Private Limited that features both radio frequency detection and jamming with a range of 10 kilometers, as well as infrared sensor detection with a range of 2 kilometers, that is poised to enhance India's defense against UAV and drones in sensitive areas. The Brazilian Navy have shown keen interest in integrating India's 290 km range Mach 3.5 capable Brahmos NG cruise missile on its first nuclear-powered attack submarine Álvaro Alberto, which is based on the French Scorpion class, and this development comes at a time when Brahmos Aerospace is developing torpedo tube-launched version of Brahmos NG for the 6 Cavalry-class submarines. Hindustan Aeronautics is developing artificial intelligence-powered predictive maintenance system that will revolutionize maintenance of fighter jets, ensuring the efficiency and longevity of the aircraft. The health usage and monitoring system will provide the aircraft maintenance teams with faster data processing and analysis, and help identify patterns and anomalies that might go unnoticed by human eyes, leading to quicker turnaround times for aircraft maintenance operations. Officials from Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer are scheduled to visit HAL facilities later this month, as the two sides are gearing up for a potential collaboration to co-develop the C-390 to meet the 80 medium transport aircraft requirement of the Indian Air Force. The C-390 can carry an impressive cargo load of 26 tons, and it can seamlessly transition between different roles including air-to-air refueling, airborne operations, airdrop operations, troop and cargo transport, as well as firefighting.
Omar dropped it.